Hey guys, welcome back to Gratuitous Sets. We have not been able to put anything on YouTube for a while because we have been swamped. Devin, Matt, and I have been, well, very busy is an understatement. We have our Shoggoth monster here we just built, and or the latest one we just built. And he's going to need some eyeball mechanisms. We've started with a design from a gentleman named Will Cogley, brilliant design. We have made ours a little bit more robust and a little easier for us to work with. So we've redesigned everything out of machined PVC. This can still be printed. For those of you who are on Patreon, we'll make these files available to you. And if you haven't joined us on Patreon, you might consider it. We are still using Will Cogley's eyeball casting kit and a couple of other parts. The license for those is very inexpensive. He was very generous about releasing the files. What you can do is you can build our mechanism, and we're going to do a complete build from start to finish. We'll give you the code, we'll give you a list of tools required, list of parts required, and we're going to go through everything in step-by-step tutorials. You can make your own eyeballs.
Another project that we have resurrected from the vault is the big old 4x8 CNC machine that has been collecting lots and lots of dust in the center of our shop. I think we hunted it at some point, but we are back rolling on that one. We have steppers moving, and we have a plan for power transmission for that one. So we're also going to be rebuilding that one, and that will be on a combination of YouTube, and the detailed stuff is on Patreon. So if you haven't joined us yet over there, please do so, because we're getting back to it, and we'll be seeing more of us.
Look forward to more videos and join us on Patreon.